Alright, so I got a vehicle here. It's an older Pathfinder, 2007 model. Customer states that their vehicle just cranks. You see what the problem is? They said that they just got the battery replaced and now the car doesn't start. But as you saw, the security lamp was on. We've got aftermarket keys here. Is that the only problem? Now, unlike the other vehicle on my other post, this battery was recently replaced. So that is confirmed. This does look like a new battery. Terminals are a little worn out, but I think we got some other problem other than just the battery being replaced causing issues. So I've got my jump box on it because, as you can see, it was cranking a little slow, but this is a fresh battery. So let's go ahead and try to start it again. Now, with my big jump pack on it, starting this vehicle shouldn't be an issue. Let's hear the cranking speed now. Still got a no start condition. So what I'm suspecting is when they replaced this battery, we might have had an issue where the BCM lost communication. Now I did scan this vehicle before and it did have a 1610 and a 1614, which are both immobilizer codes. I've already tried to reset it one way by just clearing the codes. That didn't work, so I'm going to try to hard reset the battery. And the way I'm going to hard reset it is basically just disconnect the negative and the positive and just connect them with a wire. This is going to basically allow the system to have no voltage going through it at all. It's going to take down any available voltage in the system so all the computers can go to sleep. And we'll try to see if maybe this will reset the BCM to allow us to start the vehicle. Alright, so about 10 minutes have passed since I've connected this. That should be ample time for the systems to basically lose all the voltage in them and shut down completely. So now I'm going to go ahead and reconnect the battery and then see if we can get it to start up again. Alright, we're back inside the vehicle. Let's go ahead and see if it'll start. We see the security light flashing. Let's see if it's set solid to show that there still is an issue with the security system on this vehicle. So more than likely the issue occurred where the BCM more than likely got damaged from low voltage. Hence why if you have a vehicle that has a low battery where you're constantly having to jump it, that can cause issues with electrical components where they drop below a certain voltage. Now, Nissans do not like anything less than 10 volts, which I would think that most other manufacturers have a similar voltage range. So I'm going to go ahead and do some more digging, check some more circuits on the vehicle to confirm that it is in fact an issue with the BCM and not just, throw the parts cannon at it. So just a tip, replace batteries in your vehicle if they are low and you're having to jump them off, or if they're slow to crank. Just get it done before it costs you more money.